YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 or the 450. That is the four-wheel cleaner provided by Hayward. These cleaners are great for those super deep diving pools. For today's video I want to show you guys how to remove the front and the back skirts. So one side actually has rollers on it and the other side actually has like little flap skirts, two fixed with two bendable ones. So I'm going to show you guys how to get access to those and how to remove those. So again, the cleaner's stripped down to pretty much nothing right now. You don't necessarily need to take it where I'm at right now, but if you want to know how to get down to just the frame section, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll actually have a full playlist for you guys where we tore this thing apart from the outside in. But again, for today's video, just showing you guys how to get access to these flaps. This will work for both those back flaps as well as the front rollers. So if you guys have seen the other video on how to remove the actual throat of the cleaner, this is the orifice where all the debris goes through. If you guys know how to do that, go ahead and remove the actual throat of the cleaner. This is the first step. If you guys do not remove this and you guys try to snap out these pieces, you're gonna break something. So make sure that you guys take this out. It'll allow an open port here in the middle to be able to slide all of these pieces out. So once you guys remove the throat, it's just about kind of wiggling it and trying to find that center point where you're able to slide one of the flaps out. So you got one flap and then you're just gonna kind of feed everything towards the center of the cleaner because that's your opening now that you removed in terms of the throat. So here's these two fixed parts on the outside and there's those, and then you're going to move to the roller section and do the exact same thing. Here's one roller and go ahead, slide to the middle, take out your second roller, glide over the third, and go ahead and glide over the fourth. So really simple. And then for these pieces, most of the time these other flaps on the one side are going to come in two parts. Or you may only lose one part. They do sell them as two different pieces so you guys can get it. If you guys want to know how to disconnect them, you guys just heard me. You're going to pinch them together. They're just pressure fit. They actually have the mold on there to just fit into each other and they snap in and unsnap. So really simple. So if you guys want to know how to install those, that's all you got to do is go ahead, and if you need to fix one, you're just going to bend them apart, and then when it goes back to putting it together, again, obviously pay attention to how you're taking it apart because these don't have directions on which side you need to install it on, but what you're aiming for is the solid bar side. So there's actually one solid axle bar on one, and then the other actually has a little indentation for you to actually be able to slide in and fit into the frame. So that's one key to look for when you're doing it. So then you're just going to kind of gently push them back in. Again, you heard a click and you're good to go. So then to reinstall them, it's the same thing. Because you're starting from the middle, you want to start with your two outside ones and then work your way back into the middle part, so then that way everything gets installed where it should be. So really quick fix video for you guys. Again, once you get your new ones, slide them on, pop the throat back in, and you're ready to get back in the pool and start cleaning. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have a ton of videos coming your way on all other cleaners out there in the market. So until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you then.